Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Tukas Copy Webinars YouTube channel, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. I'm your host Rakesh with another session on the price action. The name is the Forex Trading with Rakesh, but it doesn't mean that you start trading whatever I say in this webinar on the basis of that. Okay, you might be thinking that I am any other employee of Tukas Copy Bank, but I'm not an employee of Tukas Copy Bank. Therefore, whatever I say in this webinar, it has nothing to do with the bank. I am an independent analyst and an independent trader. I'm just using their platform to showcase my analysis, and this is only for information or knowledge purpose. Please do not use this as a trading advice. And what we are going to do in this another 30 minutes or so, we'll be talking about the price action of the major currency pairs. When I say major currency pairs, these pairs include US dollar essentially and the other major currencies. And we'll be using the candlestick charts to find out the key levels for all the pairs that we see, and also we'll see how we can use those key levels to our advantage in the trading. Okay, so let's have a look at the risk disclaimer and then we hop onto the charts directly. All right, guys, on your screen is the daily chart of the US dollar index. I think we have talked about it yesterday only when the price was trading above, that it can extend itself towards these lows that the price had broken, and actually there it has found the resistance now. So we were talking about this high. Anything lower than 103.25 will be seen as the resistance only. I'm sorry, like this. Okay, because this was the swing high and now we were looking for another lower swing high that has, I think, is formed, but this is just my thinking. We need to see, I think, a trade below 101.07 because this was the low while this high was being made. At least on the 4 hour it is taken out, what I understand now. At least on the 4 hour the price was making higher highs, higher lows. So if you see this as the potential low, which is not red in color, but still it is taken out, and there is a bearish engulfing and bearish spin bar also on the 4 hour, and that is also at the resistance. Now the price is trading below these levels. So if you want to be more cautious, you can actually keep this level, that is 101.77. if that is taken out, you can be sure that downtrend has finally resumed. Okay, now for the dollar index on the higher side, we have a resistance at around 102.63. we know that now there is a resistance at 102.63 levels, so we can remove all this shit here so that we can get a clear idea what is happening. Also this and this and this channel and that channel and this here and that here, so that we know what is the price action telling us. So these are the previous lows which I have acted as a resistance. Now what we can do is we can create a channel here, small channel, just to know where are the dynamic supports and resistances levels, and This can be like this. Okay, in the process of going down, if the price breaks through this rising channel also, you will be 100% sure that the downtrend has started. But you don't have to wait for that much time. I think on the 4 hour, once the price breaks below this 101.77, we will be sure that the downtrend has started. So keep an eye on 101.77 on the downside. This is a very important level, I will say key level. Once this breaks to the downside, you should be ready with your weapons or with your orders to go short at the next retest whenever the price retest this area again. Okay, so this need not to go like this only, this can happen like this also. Okay, if this happens, you will be selling it here around 101.77 with a small stop loss higher, and with the first target of 101.07 and the second target as 100.29, third target as 99.20, and even fourth target as 97.69. Okay, so this is what our intention is. So this is what we are expecting. Talking about the euro, anything above 1.0833 may be bought, and today is the green candle. But my concern, although, is this falling channel. And now I will remove this line. And also I actually want to keep only two levels on the chart so that you are aware where is the support and where is the resistance. So this is a crucial level on the daily, so I will not disturb this. This I will remove. I will remove every other level which may give you some okay, this channel is important right now because it is being respected. So yes, this level is important. Why? Because on the way down it made this low and then this low, so this is the highest high between these two lows. So this is your downswing pivot. Okay, one thing. So this is a very important level. Sorry, this high, which is around 1.10458, is a very important level, because if this breaks, this down move will be negated and the price will resume the uptrend, which we are expecting in the near future. But on the way down, while it is trying to go like this, if it trades anywhere below this crucial level, why this is crucial level? Because while it was going up, the price made this as a pivot. So this is the pivot from where the buyers came into force. So if this time the buyers do not come to the rescue of this price area, then I think the sellers will be more powerful, and we will be looking for a selling opportunity at the retest of this level again. So this, okay, so till the time, my point is that till the time 1.0833 level is holding, you should be looking for the buying opportunities only. And if for some reason this level breaks, 1.0833 level breaks, then you can become a seller in this market only at the retest of 1.0833 and see how that behaves with respect to the price. Okay, let's talk about the Great Britain pound. Similarly, in the case of Great Britain pound, we have a strong buy level at 1.2590. I have discussed about this level in my previous trading days. Now on the way down, the price has actually broken this rising channel, which is a dynamic support. But see that the market structure is still intact because 1.2590 is holding. Till the time the price is trading above this, we should be looking for the buying opportunity. This bullish pin bar may be seen as a buying opportunity, but the problem only here is this falling channel. Okay, this bullish pin bar on the daily has not given us a buy yet. Let's check on the 4-hourly. Even on the 4-hourly, this is not a buy. This will become a buy above this high, 1.2738. The price is not very far from 1.2738, but if the price is able to trade above 1.2738, at least this 4-hourly downtrend will be negated. In that case, it will keep going up, and in the process, if it goes beyond 1.2887, which in this downtrend is the highest high, if it goes beyond 2887 on the 4-hourly, then it will negate the downtrending move in the daily chart also, and then we will be looking for the higher prices in this market. But right now I'm not very happy to buy this market. The reason being that it is very close to the previous days, two days back low, and also this was a crucial level in the past also. So 1.2738 I'm expecting to act as a resistance, so I don't want to buy this market close to the resistance. Talking about the Australian dollar, a lot of hodgepodge in here, a lot of hodgepodge. So let's clean this chart first. Clean this chart. Okay. So let's talk about only horizontal levels here. This is a broken support. So yes, this is an important level, but I'll mark it like this only. So yes, this is a broken low. This is an important level for us. And if I assimilate all three levels, okay, 0.6594 is a good area to keep this. This may be acting as a resistance when the price approaches this area again. And on the way up, actually, this high that the price has made is the area where the maximum number of sellers were there and they pushed the prices lower. So I'm interested in 0.6739 and also on the upside 0.6594, but on the downside I'm interested in 0.6457. So these are the three areas where you should be keeping your eye on. These three levels are very important. Others you can remove from your charts so that you are not very disoriented, or say what you call it, so that you don't have any confusion. So these are the three levels of importance. 1, 2, 3. These are the three levels of importance in the case of Australia. Similarly, here also you might be getting confused. Why so many drawings are there on the charts? So how do you remove everything and then talk about only price action? So I need this channel. Okay, I need this channel, and below the price only this level 0.6050, and above the price this level. That's all. Rest all prices we will not talk about. Okay, we will not talk about anything. Okay, below this also I want to talk about, because on the way up, this low here is also important. Why it is important I will mention. See, this was the low that the price broke just now, and this is now acting as the resistance. 0.6120 is important level. Thereafter, if the price starts going up, it needs to break above 0.6225 for me to become a buyer in this market. And on the way down, the next level of support is around 0.6050. If that is taken out, then 0.5984 will become the next level of support, which may be tested soon. Okay. Similarly, in the case of USD JPY, we were expecting this type of price action. There is no doubt about that. But I will remove everything so that we have a clear-cut idea what is expected and what is not. Guys, I'm removing everything. Okay, so this is the daily chart. The price was in an uptrend, then it's broke this. We were expecting a downtrend, so we are still expecting a downtrend. So this may be 1, 2, 3 type of wave, or A, B, C wave, and this may be the start of another downtrend. Okay, this may be a start of another downtrend, so please be ready. This may be the bearish engulfing or bearish pin bar. Let's see on the 4-hour. Okay, on the 4-hour you see that the price action has already been negated. That means while the price was making higher highs and higher lows, it actually broke through this. So now we are expecting lower highs and lower lows. Okay, so you should be selling somewhere here. So keep your eye at any rise. You should be looking for a selling opportunity in the USD JPY. And what are the resistances now? So 143.88 is the resistance, and where is the support? The recent low that the price has made, 142.06, is the support. All right. Okay. But if it breaks down, then what will be the next support? This low on 30th July may be your next support, but I think this 138.38, this 138.06 should be the next level of support on the way down. On the way up, this high here should be the resistance level. So you can keep these 4 levels on your charts and plan your trades accordingly. But right now I'm looking for a selling opportunity, because in the daily, this market is well, on the daily it is in an uptrend, but in the long run this market is expected to go down, because on the daily it broke through this low here, and now it is giving us another opportunity to go short. I think with the target of 127, somebody is trying to pull up some shorts here. Look at this, these volumes here, around here. So yes, the selling is emerging. So this bearish engulfing, and tomorrow or day after, if there is a follow up to the downside, look for 138.06 very soon in this market. USD CAD, a lot of drawings here where you may get confused what is happening. So the thing is that, guys, if you forget about everything, and just focus on the 1 or 2 levels up and down, it is very easy. And just know what is the current market structure on the particular time frame that you are talking about. So here you see in this market we had this rise, and then again it sold off, then this was a rise, and then there was this consolidation, then this was a breakout to the upside. Now the market is rising. So look for something like this, simple. So we are looking for a buying opportunity, that's all. But where can be the resistance and where can be the support? So support can be this one, because this is the lowest low that the price has made. And where can be the resistance? Well, just now we have found that this level of 13377 is the level of resistance. Now when we switch to the 4-hour, what do we see in the 4-hour charts? On the 4-hour charts, we see that this low may be offering some support. So what do? We pull out our clone and put it here. So 1.3262 may be an area which may offer some support or resistance depending upon when the price approaches from top or from beneath. All right. So if we are looking for a buying opportunity, that is for sure. So if we are looking for a buying opportunity, what we should be looking for? We should be looking for something like this. Yeah. So buy here, okay, with a small stop loss below 1.3250 and taking profit at 1.3376 and maybe even higher. Okay. So this is the first level of resistance. This may be the second level of resistance, around 1.3461 area. Okay. USD CHF. USD CHF is giving us a candlestick pattern which we were expecting around here at the 50% of this fall. And if the 0.8819 would have hit, I would have become a seller definitely, because I was looking to get this price action. But still now, the red candle and the sell off is possible, but on the daily there is no particular pattern which I want to sell. So I will rather stay away from this market as of now. Okay. But since I want to make sure that we know what is the price action, so I'm removing everything and doing a fresh analysis of what is happening here. If you look at this bigger channel on weekly, you will see that the USD CHF was falling, went outside, and then again started falling. So yes, in the bigger sense, you can say that this market is a falling market, and while it was falling, it made this high. Thereafter, it made this high, and it made this low, and it made this low. So we are now expecting another high to be formed which is lower than this high. All right. So where this high formed, see, at the previous lows. So can we expect another high to be formed around these lows here? So if I say that I am expecting a price action like this, will I be wrong? Will I be wrong if I say that open your sell positions here and expect this as the first target and this as the second target? Tell me, will I be wrong? No. So this is a general assumption that when the price reaches these lows from here to around 0.8864 area, you should be looking for a selling opportunity with a small stop loss higher than whatever high that the price has made, and targeting the first, that is 0.8553 area, and thereafter if it trades lower than 0.8240 area. So this should be your general approach. Right now, if I just delete everything from here, so where is my support? My support is 0.8552. Where is my resistance? 0.9147. Because if that is taken out, I become a buyer in this market. But I know that these lows have been just taken out. So these lows may also offer some resistance to the price. So I will keep an eye on here also. But I am not marking it because that is not the key level. The key level is 9147. Why it is the key level? Because if the price trades above this, then I will no more be selling this market. I will become a buyer. All right. Also notice that on this weekly chart, there has been a bullish pin bar and bullish engulfing on the weekly with a huge volume. This means that there is a possibility of buyers coming in here. Okay, there is a possibility. This is weekly. Okay, now this is daily. So if on the daily there is a bullish engulfing and thereafter buying, that means high, a low, high. So that means any low should be seen as a buying opportunity. To what extent? To 9147 or to these lows. But on the weekly it is a sell, on the daily it is buying. So my suggestion is that be cautious in this market. Okay, don't be very aggressive in buying, because in the longer run this market is going to be sold off. So be sure that you know this scenario. Silver. Yesterday, after giving a close below 24.03, it is finding it very difficult to get going on the upside. I think even if the price goes up from here, 24.03 level will be acting as a very good resistance. So keep an eye on that. On the low side, 22.50 is the support. Similarly, in case of gold, we have got a closing below 1937, which was a crucial level. And like I was saying that around 1937, you may find some support. Yes, there is support, but it is not that good so that it gives us a bullish pin bar or bullish engulfing. That's not given us. So this is a doji. Doji means that the buyers and sellers are equally strong here. If it is the case, don't you think that as the price will start rising, the sellers will be more and more jumping in to push the prices lower? So I think 1942 now will be acting as a good resistance, and the prices may go towards these lows and these lows here. 1892 I think is the ultimate support for the gold now. Let us see how the things unfold. If 1942 acts as a resistance and it gives a blow to this candle, and if starts trading below 1929, then 1892 will be exposed in this market. Brent 87 is the resistance, guys. 83 is the support. I think price has taken support today, a very good support today, the range of approximately 300, that is $3. It's a good range. So this price action on the downside has been negated by today's candle. Almost tomorrow or day after we can reach 87.46 again. There's nothing much to say. Okay, 83.03 is the still support and 87.46 is the resistance still. Bitcoin also has given us a closing below 29,430, which is now acting as a good resistance. Till the time the price is trading below 29,430, nothing can be said about any up move, because any up move will be stopped by this price action here. On the downside, although 24,766 is open. Ethereum in the similar manner has failed to go beyond this channel and has failed to close below this. So it is a very tight range where Ethereum is moving. In fact, you see that it has given us multiple inside bars. Day before yesterday, this was the candlestick, and after that this was the candlestick. That high and low were not able to go beyond these levels. Today there is even smaller trading range. tomorrow there may be some breakout or maybe smaller trading range day after tomorrow. So now in 1 or 2 days there has to be a breakout in Ethereum. So be sure what is going to happen. Keep an eye on this one. Most probably 2026 may be tested because Ethereum has failed to go below this 1812 mark. Below 1812, any closing below that will open the way to 1621. Till the time it is trading above, we can still hope for 2026 in this. Euro New Zealand is a buy, buy, and buy. Every time the euro gets, we get an opportunity around 1.7600, we should be buying this market with the very high targets of 1.9300 area or 1.9900 area. So yes, guys, it's a buy, buy, and buy, but not at the current levels. It is very close to the resistance. At the lower levels, you should be looking for a buying opportunity. Okay, on the lower side, 1.7600 is the support, 1.8088 is the resistance on the upside. EUROD has finally given us a buying opportunity now. I think this neckline has been broken. So anytime the price comes close to 1.66, you should be looking for a buying opportunity with the higher target, even higher than 1.6785 area. Australian dollar is weak as compared to New Zealand dollar. After some consolidation here, look for a breakdown below 1.0718, which is the good level of support now. And on the upside, we have resistance at 1.08, not 29, but 1.0833. All right. Pound against the Australian dollar. Okay. Now, one thing you see, why do you think that this candle is red? I'll ask you this question again. So you see that the pound against the US dollar is green. Australian dollar is also green. Okay. Pound pound against the US dollar here is up 0.1%. Okay. Australian dollar is up around 0.46. Okay, so 0.36. GBP AUD is 0.36. Okay, I understood. So this is because of the percentage. Then it is explainable. Okay. GBP AUD is going down, but it is giving us almost a bearish engulfing. You see the high of the candle was 1.9468. The high of this candle was 1.9469. So it is almost a bearish engulfing. Okay, any close below the body of this candle will offer us a good selling opportunity. And also we were expecting this price move. You remember when I said that if the price reverses from here, it will not be a good move, but if it goes beyond this 1.9391 and then falls down, then 1.8850 is a pivot which breaks, the break of which gives us a better opportunity to go short this market with a very long term time frame. Okay, so I will be looking forward for that now. But now the resistance for the price is this 1.9469. Support is around 1.8850. Below this, I will be looking for selling opportunity. US index has given us another buying opportunity. This is a bullish pin bar. That means the price is now headed towards 35,845. Nothing else. Very clean price action, but it has taken out all the stop losses that had come here. Now the market is headed up again towards 35,845. Nothing else. CAD JPY is still going down. Hangman is taken out. So 104.24 is the next level of support. On the upside, though, we have resistance around 109.50. CAD CHF in the similar line of CAD JPY is going down. 0.6476 is the next level of support. Although I'm expecting lower lows in this one, so maybe the price is even headed south, even lower than that. Also, this was a hidden bearish divergence. GBP CAD, very close fight here, very close fight. Daily the range is increasing. So we are still in the triangle. Once this triangle breaks, we will know for sure which side the market is going to go. But as of now, we are not sure about GBP CAD. On the upside, 1.7333 is the resistance. On the downside, 1.6690 is the support. US Tech, yesterday it broke down and now it has tested the support area of 5265. but I think eventually it will also break and push the prices back towards 14,687. But if for some reason the price starts rising from here, 15,933 will be the resistance for the US tech. So that's all guys from my side. These were the key levels of importance. Now I hope that you know about them and you know how to plan your trades about it. If you don't know anything or if you have any particular questions, you can ask me in the chat box provided right now. I can answer them. And if no, and while you are watching a recording of this session, if you come to know about some question, you can still ask the question in the comment sections. So that's all from my side. Just keep in mind, please, to risk only 1% or less of your entire capital on any single trade and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you are going to take. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find the video useful for you. There is no cost to it, and this actually encourages me to come here every day and share my analysis. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section and consider subscribing to this channel for more such webinars. I wish you a very happy and good day. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks for your time. See you tomorrow at 1700 hours here on this channel. Bye bye. Take care.